Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and excuse me. Welcome back to a new video on Jasmy. And I hate to say it, but I was wrong, right? What I said yesterday to kind of my voice is a little bit gone. I'm not sure why. But what I said yesterday to kind of refresh your minds is we just hit this level right here at 2.7 here in the morning. And what I said is that, all right, well, I don't think there's like if you look at that level with the 200 EMA and just in general technically a very strong level, what I said is that I don't think there's enough momentum to push above that. All right, and I probably if I look at that level and I see this same scenario tomorrow, also expecting a bit of a pullback from Bitcoin, which in the end we did not get, I would probably say the same. All right, but what happened is that we actually did have enough momentum to break out. So I was wrong about that. I mean, what you see in the afternoon for Jasmy is that first of all, Bitcoin continued. All right, Bitcoin in the afternoon in the US session did very, very well, and we rallied all the way up to 65,000. So that was obviously very bullish, and that pulled all the altcoins up quite a bit. But then you also saw for Jasmy, kind of starting after I made the video to give myself a break. No, I'm just kidding. But no, what you saw is that Jasmy actually gained real momentum as well. So then we gained momentum in a bullish market. So that's why we broke out. And Jasmy in general, I mean, I've told you this before because I do think you have to cut me some slack about being wrong, because I was also the one who told you when we were down here that you should get ready for some sort of a bullish breakout. All right, and I can prove that because the title of the video, if my internet is good enough, the title of the video is very much bullish breakout soon. Be ready for this. All right, so cut me some slack. I was wrong. All right, and I'll take ownership of that. But then I'll also take ownership of predicting some sort of a possibility of a bullish breakout here. But all right now situation is Jasmy is bullish. I do think like Jasmy on its own has real momentum, all right? So Jasmy has specific momentum, which is good. And what I mean with that is that a lot of altcoins just moved up because Bitcoin moved up. And for Jasmy, that's not the case. Obviously, it helped that Bitcoin was bullish, but Jasmy also just rallied up on its own accord. Like there isn't a real correlation between all the moves and Jasmy. Bitcoin also peaked later, for example. Jasmy started falling later, but Jasmy also had much more momentum in general, and at a different point of time. All right, Jasmy was very bullish when Bitcoin was finding resistance. So what that means is that's actually a positive thing, because that means that even though Bitcoin right now has seen a bit of a pullback, I still think Bitcoin will be bullish. So I also do think Jasmy will be fine. But even though that's the case, Jasmy can still rally. And like I said yesterday, one of the key reasons why I did not think we would rally up higher on the short term is because this is such a strong level right here at 2.7 and 2.75 cents. So what you see right now is that we broke above that. And we're actually finding strong support there. Whether we will actually rally much higher than the resistance level we have already made right here at 3.1 and 3.2 cents, I don't know. That's going to be tough. That depends a little bit still on Bitcoin. But I have to be bullish on Jasmy here, right? I think the technical structure for Jasmy has really changed. So then the bigger question is well, all right, well, will that bullish momentum kind of stay contained in this area right here between 2.75 and 3.2? Because purely technically, that's the area which we are in. Or can we actually get some sort of a breakout above this level to rally up higher towards 3.6 and 3.7? And I think initially, because we are losing some momentum right here, or some shorts are being closed, that's actually what's happening. I do think we'll consolidate first of all. So this is in general what I expect. But from this consolidation, which is not really a consolidation, but from this kind of a range between prices, I have to be honest right now and tell you that a bullish breakout is more likely. All right, we have momentum. We got a significant bullish breakout. Bitcoin is relatively bullish. So then the obvious continuation would be something like this. And then the next price target would probably be like 3.5 to stay conservative. So that's what I think is most likely for now. Now, I do think, obviously, I'll keep you updated on this, of course, but you do have to know that this is very much dependent on Bitcoin. All right, so if Bitcoin starts pulling back here, which is, I think, most likely, Jasmy will pull back as well. But as long as Jasmy is able to hold 2.75 cents as support, we should be fine. So keep your eyes on that level if we do get a pullback from Bitcoin, and otherwise focus on the breakouts. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.